Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your IDFC Easy Buy card. First, ensure your card is activated. You can do this easily by calling the customer service number provided with your card or by using the IDFC First Bank mobile application. Once activated, you're ready to explore its features and benefits. Remember to keep your card details secure and always be aware of your credit limit. Making a purchase with your IDFC Easy Buy card is straightforward. Simply use it at any participating merchant, either in store or online. For larger purchases, you have the flexibility to convert the transaction into easy equated monthly installments, or EMI. This helps manage your budget effectively. Always look out for special promotions and zero-interest EMI options available with various partners. Managing your IDFC Easy Buy card is simple with the mobile app. You can easily track all your transactions, view statements, and monitor your spending. It's crucial to pay your monthly bills by the due date to avoid any late payment fees. Consider setting up an auto-pay feature for your EMIs. This ensures timely deductions and helps maintain a good credit history. Your IDFC Easy Buy card offers numerous benefits, including exclusive discounts and cashback rewards at a wide range of partner establishments. Should you have any questions or need assistance, IDFC First Bank's dedicated customer support is always available to help. They can guide you through any card-related queries. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.